After strong lines of severe weather went through this area of Texas this morning, the cleanup is beginning to kick in again. You can see how much rain fell, though. This is not from anything more than the rain that fell today. Intense amounts of rain coming down, lightning, thunder, hurricane-force winds blowing through, really hampering the cleanup effort after the tornado that tore through this part of Texas, Cook County, just a few days ago. But still, people have one thing on their mind: cleaning up. Of course, 7 people also died, so there are families and friends mourning. But the overarching theme here is volunteers, people helping people bring Cook County back. In Cook County, Texas, Justin Michaels, the Weather Channel.